This legendary homemade recipe works like a vacuum cleaner for your liver, melting away fat, flushing out toxins, and supporting your heart health naturally. It's made from simple, everyday ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Green apple, known to absorb toxins and heavy metals while boosting liver and gallbladder function. Beetroot, a powerful detoxifier that supports all internal organs and promotes healthy bile flow. Parsley helps the body eliminate excess salts and is believed to reduce the risk of certain cancers. Here's how to prepare it. Add 1 green apple, half a beetroot, and a handful of fresh parsley into your blender. Pour in the juice of half a lemon and 1 full glass of water. Blend until smooth. Drink this mixture daily on an empty stomach, and you may notice improvements after just 1 use. Within a week, not only will your liver thank you, even your skin may start to glow with health. Remember, consistency is key. Use it the right way and feel the difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.